Talofa lava, fia toi whatalofa tu tātou au mai moa, I le nei tū la fo I o tai au, ia o sa pati pa I o tātou wali, ia pe on tū tangtanga I mai foi, ia le tāpenanga lava le suawa I o walfonga tau mafa o ainga. Talofa everyone, welcome and good morning to another episode of our Sunday cooking here in Samoa. Special whatalo to our ainga members, just getting started on the Taro. Our menu today is the turkey tail pipi, sausages for the kids, and then we've got Ofu Puaa, or the pig organs that we'll fry up later. So hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. See you soon. Alright, so cut up the taro there. That's the miracle that we did to make sure there's enough taro. Just cut it up, guys. It's really that easy, nothing fancy, But yeah, this is other menu. So this is the turkey tail, and then we've got our Ofu Puaa here, the pig organ. So I'm gonna get cracking on this. Need to defrost it a bit, and then we'll start cooking it. We've already got the pig organs here. Just going to add a little bit of water because obviously there's ice in there, and then we're going to steam it for the rest of our cooking today. So once it starts to fry, then we'll take it back out, fry it, add onions, and then we'll fry it. Alright guys, so I'm just chopping up the turkey tail, and then we're going to add a bit of water, and then we're just going to let it cook until it reduces down to an oil. Discard a bit of the oil. We want to discard most of the oil, but just a little bit left, just so that we can use it for the stir fry. So they're about this size. Not too big, but not too small as well, because if they're too small, then they end up disintegrating or breaking down and become all gooey and stuff, which we don't like. But you want it big enough so that it holds its shape while it's cooking and it doesn't break down. One of the things with turkey tail is the time-consuming part of trying to remove all the this stuff called where the feather attaches to the turkey tail. So you have to try and remove that. You guys can see there, and they're so small sometimes they're embedded inside, and that's why it takes a lot of time for the most part is trying to remove that while we're cutting. Alright guys, so just finally finished cutting up the turkey tails. Man, there was a lot of things I had to remove, the feathers and stuff. So I'm going to get it onto the heat now because I think we've got about 2 hours left. With a bit of wash, and then we'll pour out the water, and then add just a little bit of water, get it onto the heat. Alright, turkey tail is now onto the heat. The pig organs is now ready. Just gonna chop them up, and then we're gonna fry them with lots of onions, bit of garlic, and black pepper. We've got the heart, got looks like the lungs, the main airway, the esophagus, fatty tissue. This must be the liver and the pancreas. This is the liver here, and yeah, so I'm just gonna chop this up, get it onto the heat. Just threw in the onion, so we're just gonna let that fry. Need to wash my board so I can prep the veggies. Alright, we've got cucumbers and the round cabbage. What is this? Peppers? Alright, we'll see what we can do. So just poured out the excess water and oil that was in the pipi. It's perfect now. So I'm just gonna wait for it to fry a little bit, then we'll start adding in the veggies. Ofu is coming along really well. I really like the stage that it's looking now, nice and fried. But yeah, everything is going so far according to plan. Just the sausage is left, but also I think I might have to add one more thing. Well, it depends on how we go, but I might have to add another chicken. Might have to add a chicken to the menu. which will probably be chicken curry. But yeah, cucumbers there, the round cabbage, just soaking in water. I'm going to clean that after, but I need to cut up some onions and garlic for the stir fry. Alright, just added in the garlic and onions and a bit of soy sauce for browning. Now we're going to add in the veggies pretty soon, and the noodles as well. Not sure if that's clear. Oh, there we go. Got this on for the sausages, the kid sausages. Ofu is now ready. Ooh, wow. Umu, yeah, it's umuing. So yeah, pretty good. Cucumbers going in. Alright, now we've got the cucumbers in. Get in the round cabbage. And occasionally stir as we go. Most of these veggies have very high water content, so that's why we're going to add the noodle back in. We're going to add the noodle in the stir fry, is to absorb some of that moisture, the water from these veggies. Just added the seasoning packets from the noodles. Gonna give that a stir. Sausages are on. Gonna flip them every now and then. I've actually placed the Ofu Puaa back inside here in the oven to keep it warm, but also finish off the taro. Time at the moment 5 to 11, which is really cutting it close to nighttime. But I think we're gonna cancel the chicken. We're gonna do this until it's finished. Alright, noodles going in. Can't go wrong with miligeki. And then we stir. Just flip the sausages. Ooh, looking nice and golden. Alright, sausages for the kids. One more batch. Guys, we have 15 minutes before church finishes. I'm gonna do the curry now, but it's just gonna be a really simple curry, just the chicken. So fingers crossed we make it in time. Alright guys, so we've got the same oil I was doing the chicken in, the sausages in. I just threw in a bit of crushed red pepper and then threw in the chicken. So that's just gonna wait for that to cook. Then we'll add in the garlic, or the curry powder, and then yeah, should be done. Some people might say that's contamination, but you know, adding the chicken back into the oil with the oil that was frying the sausages in, but it's being resourcefulness. I'm not going to throw away that entire oil just so I can get a new one, use a new one just for the chicken. So being resourcefulness, guys. Remember, waste not, want not. All right, just placed in the garlic and onion. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes and then we'll add the curry. Just added in the curry. Stir it a bit, should be good. Alright guys, so made it this far. I just want to say thank you guys. I'm going to show you the results. Went a bit over the time only because we spent a lot of the time with the turkey tails trying to remove the feathers stuff, and as a result we lost about an hour just doing that. So which is why we sort of crammed up in the end, and yeah, things got a bit hectic, but I'm really glad we made it to the end. I'm going to show you guys the results, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Starting from this side, we've got our pipi with cucumbers and round cabbage and noodles. That's the turkey tail. We've got our Ofu Puaa here, our pig organs that was fried with onions. We've got our chicken curry that was just finished about 5 minutes ago. We've got our salad, green salad made by my wife. Looks like lettuce, bacon bits, red onion and cucumbers. And we've got our taro. Unfortunately, we didn't have the sausage because that was the kids' food. But yeah, guys, everything looks super good. Really dying to get into this now. But yeah, so nice. So yeah, guys, probably gonna end off the episode here. Have lunch with the family. I really appreciate the support, guys. Just want to say thank you again for supporting our channel. It means a lot to me and the family. So if you do enjoy the content, guys, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, the usual stuff. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, guys, and have a great week, and we'll see you guys soon.
All I want is satisfaction.